Happy Wednesday, you guys. Just made a sale, so we just left the post office. You guys, I will leave the link below if you guys are interested in buying extensions, lashes, wigs, any type of hair. Go to the link in my description. Dassah's Hair Boutique. I ship same day, so go buy you guys something. Quick outfit of the day in the car. I should do this at home, but we were rushing. Hi, babe.
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Emotional day.
It was a emotional day. I didn't vlog, you guys. We went to our uncle's memorial, so that's why we're all dressed up today. But I'm happy we went, sent our condolences, and now we're just getting some work done. So, alright, guys, see you in a bit. Bye, guys. Bye. Morning, Nevaeh. Look at the. Can you stand up? Let me see your new dress from Kohl's. So cute. Turn. Let me see your hair. Oh, you look so cute, Nevaeh. Hi, Isaiah. Look at your outfit. So cute. Pose. Let me see your pose. Yay. So cute. The final outfit with the boots. So cute. Good morning. This is Nevaeh's second week of school, and she requested this dress from Kohl's. I love it. Mini Daisy. Super cute. Can you do spin? Your ponytail. Super cute. Are you ready for class? Yes. Bye. High five. They're having a dance break in school. Hey guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. We're going to another movie night with the kids. Nevaeh's friend might come. If not, it's just going to be us four. So I'm really excited. It's at a different park this time, and we're going to be seeing Encanto. So that's like our favorite movie. So quick outfit of the day. And then we go straight with the kids are wearing. And the kids are all Disney. Nevaeh has her Minnie Mouse. Like a little tutu. Can I see your shirt? Let me see your shirt. Mickey Mouse. And then on the back of your shirt. Let me see the back. I say the back says Mickey Mouse. Why are you like this? Second movie night in the park. I'm here with the kids. Say hi, you guys.
Hi.
Hi, Pop. Hi, Nevaeh. So we just got here. My babe's gonna meet up with us in a bit. He's doing an NFL draft. So hopefully her friend Emily comes, her BFF. If not, it's just gonna be us four.
I have this card for her.
But hopefully we get to see her. So see you guys later.
I
Bye.
have this card for her.
Bye.
Bye.
There's the movie night in the park. There's like hella people. And then everybody's over there and they're at the park. Isaiah! Isaiah! Oh my gosh! Why are you guys going so fast? Movie night. You ready for Encanto? Hi. Excited, Papa?
Yeah.
There goes my bed.
In paradise, baby's candle will give you youth.
It's starting, you guys.
Strengthen our community, strengthen our home,
Look at the sunset. It's beautiful.
proud.
Can you see?
Good morning, Nevaeh. She's on her like third week of school, I believe. Is it the third? Yeah, the third week. And she finally got all her books out. So we have her English books, her math books. She finally got into it on K-12. So I'm excited for her to do that. She has her composition book, and now she's just waiting to log in to her K-12 class. But you guys, I'm super excited. This week they're doing assessments. So we're going to see how well she's doing in the start of second grade. So I'm excited for her. So have a good day in class. Bye. Nevaeh. Hi. Time for art class. She has her supply box. We're just waiting her first art class of second grade. So I'm super excited. They're doing like little fun classes now. Are you ready? She loves art, you guys. See you there. Say bye.
Another oval out.
Doing a good job. Little artist.
Yeah, that's perfect. And then let's do the same thing over here on the right side. We'll try to make them the same size. Do you know what it means when it's the same on both sides? There's a big word. It starts with an
Wow, she cut it out. Wow, Nevaeh, artist. Oops, let me pick it up. Look how pretty. So you put the sky and everything. That's super cute. Did you show it your teacher?
Yeah, I put a sunset and some cheese and grass, and then I also put a bow.
Mm-hmm.
And
Can you hold it up? Let me see.
I wanted to name her
Good
Sky,
cheese.
either
Could
Sky
you-
or
I think Sky's a pretty name.
Maddie or Anna.
I like Sky.
I
Can you hold
was
up to?
thinking of Maddie.
I love it. Sky, I like Sky the best. That gets my vote. Good job, high five. Okay, guys, another Amazon haul. First, I'm gonna start with this. I'm not gonna open this. I will do a separate video for this. It is a wig, so I'm excited for that. But I did want to show you guys, this is a special Amazon haul because you guys know we're still on COVID. I know everybody thought it was over, 2020, still in 2022, still going on. So I finally got me pulse oximeter just to give us a peace of mind when we are sick. And I also got this, which is a digital thermometer to check like fever and stuff like that, which I've been using on the kids and myself and Anthony because we are currently sick. So shout out to Amazon for this. You guys, I didn't pay for any of this. I actually got Amazon gift cards, so yay. But yeah, I just wanted to do this. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested in getting your family one. Definitely gives you peace of mind and they work. Guys, more Amazon hauls. I'm excited. I am going to be reviewing these aprons. So let me go ahead and open it. How cute is this? So it says there's an apron in blue and black. So basically it's like one for me and Anthony. You guys know Anthony's the chef of the house. So when they asked me if I wanted to review this, I was like, I'll review it because y'all know my husband be cooking with no shirt on. And I'm like, he needs an apron. So here's one and here's the other one. I don't know which one. They're unisex, so it's for male or female could wear them. Let's go open them. So here's the first apron. I love this. It has a surfboard. You guys know palm trees are our favorite. Palm tree. They got the water. So I'm not sure who would wear this. I'm gonna wait till my husband gets home from work and see which one he wants. Here's a blue one. I'm gonna open up. And this has a pretty cool design on it. It's just all blue. So I don't know. I feel like either or is just for at home wear. So if you guys are interested in aprons, if you guys are chefs of your house, I will leave the link in the description so you guys can order yours today. Thank you. Here's Nevaeh modeling the apron. Oh! Okay, let's see Isaiah. So that's modeling the palm tree. Let's see Isaiah model the blue one. Here's Isaiah the model. Okay, he said, y'all. He said, I ain't no chef. You don't like that one? Bye. And here's mine. This is actually pretty cool. Just seeing how it looks. Okay, Isaiah's gonna take two. Chef Isaiah. And look, Nevaeh got her chef outfit on. She went straight to her kitchen. She said, I'm cooking in this chef outfit with that new apron on. So get y'all's today for kids or adults. Anybody can wear them. Hey guys, happy Sunday, fun day. So today, you guys, if you're living in LA County, you know we're going through a heat wave right now. So today is supposed to be 107. I can't, but so of course my babe naturally wants to go swimming. He loves the beach, he loves the pool, he just loves the water. So we're actually gonna go swimming. Now my in-laws, thank God they have a pool in the back because it's way too hot. And we do have a little pool at home, but it's like our little watermelon pool for the kids. But it's just too hot for that. We need like a legit pool. So we're going there. Here's my outfit of the day. Quick, easy shirt and shorts. I'm gonna get my sandals. Here's Isaiah. You guys see your outfit? Cosmo kid, of course, shorts. He's ready. You ready to go swimming? Yeah, let's go see Nevaeh. And here's Nevaeh's outfit. Let me see the back. She requested a bow. So yeah, are you ready for the pool?
Yes.
Ready to go swimming? You guys ready?
And I also like to be kind.
Yes. So we'll see you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, here's my final outfit. I finally put some sandals on. I really like the sandals from Forever 21. And the kids put their shoes on. Come, kids. I got the matching Crocs. You guys, for Christmas, I think I'm gonna get them like the legit Crocs, so they can put like little like charms on them and stuff like that. So let me know where I could get a good deal. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get them off Amazon, but now we're just waiting for my babe to get home from work, and we're gonna head out.
I'll go get the triangle.
Any flavor you throw in the chicken.
Good job.
Go get the triangle.
Pool time, you guys. Okay, yeah, we ready for the pool. Pool time. Ready for the pool?
Dad. Look at that, you did.
Oh wow, babe. Look at the kids playing. I love seeing the kids. They're all on Roblox, present together. I love seeing the kids with their cousins. Cute. Okay guys, so we're back home, and Neve actually got some more school supplies from her grandparents, my in-laws, and they actually had this before we went to the beach house, but you guys, we had like medical emergencies in the family, so we ended up not getting this stuff until now. So I'm really excited. She got more composition books. She definitely uses this every day while she's in class. Colors, yes, she uses this every day in class. She got new colors. Nobody, did you see all this? She got new colors. This is a Color Pencils 12 made with restored wood. I love this from Crayola. It comes with a 12. She got new whiteboard markers and their dry erase markers, but she does use her whiteboard also daily for like her check-ins with the teacher and stuff like that. So I love that. Oh, you got new scissors. Did you see these? They're flower. This is cool. She got new scissors. Okay. And she got a brand new box of crayons, Crayolas. So I'm super excited. She's starting art lunch clubs, which means she's going to be starting art, but she's definitely going to be using these colored pencils and these crayons for art class. I'm super excited. Shout out to Grandma Joanne. Thank you.